The collision class is a 2-year program where first-year students learn the basics of finishing and collision repair, totaling 24 certifications if they complete all their classes.
It's an amazing opportunity.
You will learn how to do automotive maintenance, brakes, steering and suspension, engine performance, and electrical. Michigan State certification.
And at the same time, you keep a shop profile and you keep a shop mentality.
Students start off learning the basics of hand tools and power tools, framing of houses, floor construction, wall construction. Then we work on exteriors, such as doors, windows, siding, roofing. We even get into a little bit of light residential electrical, some insulation, and a little bit of drywall.
I got certification in CAD and in precision, and then I also did the Michigan Tech college class.
I didn't know I wanted to be a civil engineer until I saw it. I didn't know that I really liked building bridges as much as I did till I got into the class.
We learned measuring, we learned different units of measurement, we learned CAD modeling, we learned how to do the design process, we learned wiring. You know, a lot of the skills here can be applied to every program in the school.
This class has taught me a lot that I never knew I would be able to understand or learn, and I had a blast the whole time I've been here.
I was interested in doing the LISD just because I heard a bunch of good things about it, both through employment opportunities and just general environment that it has. And I was originally going to do welding, but one of my friends started working in aerospace machining, and through that I also found some YouTube channels that talked about it, and I just got interested in machining and checked out this class.
Right now they're learning insulation, proper tools to use for cutting OSB, studs. They're going to learn stud layout, how to fasten studs to OSB, studs to studs. They're going to learn how to build headers, all the framing practices. It's the best thing when we can get out here and physically use our hands to build something.
It's just a great class. It's awesome.
I was really interested in getting into a trade, but I never really came from a bunch of trade workers, and I really wanted to work on my truck, and I needed a weld on that, so I decided to take this class.
Through this class, we do a College Now program through Jackson here at the Tech Center. So I recommend to a lot of my friends to come into, even if it's not this class, but to come here and experience something new.